Alright, what's going on, everybody? Back. Got this Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions headlight restoration kit. See, these are here kind of hazy, so we want to try this kit. First time using this one. Alright, so first I'm going to use oxidation remover. Make sure your headlights are cleaned and dried like these right here are. So to do this for 1 to 2 minutes, I've got 2 lights I'm going to do, so that's just a little bit of it. They also give you some sandpaper to use, or a little sanding block if you have to. That's why I'm not taping these off right now, because I'm not sure if I need to. There you go. I mean, you can already tell the difference with it. But you can see just the dirt that's on it. One or 2 more times and take you out to the next step. Alright, so once you wipe it, I'm going to take just a clean cloth, wipe this right here off. And I'm going to come with the premium clarifying compound. What they tell you on this one is to apply it to a clean cotton or microfiber cloth, rub compound on the tire lens for about a minute. And if this doesn't get it clean enough, then you use the sandpaper that comes with it. So I've got just a regular towel or rag. Just do one of these lights at a time. Put a little more on here. Do this for about a minute and then I'll bring you back. Alright, so after that step, you can tell this is the one I just did. I haven't put the coating on it, the final coating, but that's what it looks like, and that's what it looks like completed. Take you over here, and that's what they look like to start. So I'll bring you back when I'm done with this side and show you the finished product. Alright, on this one right here, I did decide to go with the sandpaper that's given. Wasn't really happy with the results, so this is just a 2-sided piece of sandpaper. You've got 1, which is what I'm using, and then 2 for the finer grit. So you want to make sure you keep it wet on here so you don't scrape anything. You want to keep going till all of this right here is clear. Alright, so all finished. I did use the sanding pad on this one right here. I just didn't like the way it looked at first, but after and before, look like brand new headlights. Once again, Turtle Wax Hybrid. I know everybody thinks these are boring, so I'm not going to go any further, but I'll finish this side and bring you back at the end. Alright, finished product. Thank y'all for watching.